How do scientists study animal personalities? Imagine trying to understand what makes each animal unique without them telling you their thoughts or feelings. That's exactly what scientists do when they study animal personalities. They look for consistent differences in how animals behave over time and in different situations. Since animals cannot fill out questionnaires like humans do, researchers relying on careful observations and measurements. The process often starts by placing animals in controlled environments where their natural actions can be watched closely. For example, scientists might take mice and give each one a color tag. They then put these mice in a space with food, shelter, and toys. Over several days, they record what each mouse does. Do they explore a lot or stay hidden? Do they approach others or stay away? Do they chase or flee? All these behaviors are noted and saved for analysis. Scientists use special computer programs to make sense of all this data. These algorithms help simplify complex behaviors into a few main traits, similar to how humans are described by personality traits like extroversion or agreeableness. Each animal gets scores on these traits, which stay pretty much the same over time, even if the animal is stressed or in a new environment. There are two main ways scientists evaluate animal personalities. The first is called the rating method. People who know the animals well, like caretakers or researchers, fill out questionnaires. They rate traits like boldness, friendliness, activity level, or aggressiveness on a scale. These ratings are then checked with statistical tests to see if they are consistent. The second approach is called the coding method. Here, scientists directly observe behaviors during specific tests or normal daily activities. They count how often certain behaviors happen and analyze these numbers to figure out personality traits. For example, how often an animal explores new objects or hides when frightened. Some studies even combine behavioral observations with genetic testing. They look at the animal's genes to see if certain genes are linked to specific personality traits. For example, in mice, researchers have mapped gene activity patterns that relate to boldness or shyness. This helps scientists understand how biology influences personality and whether these traits can be inherited. Research on animal personalities covers many species, from small rodents to primates. It helps answer questions about how personalities develop, why they matter in the wild, and how they affect survival and reproduction. This research also has practical uses, like improving how we care for animals, matching pets with owners, or training animals for specific jobs like detection or therapy work. In the end, studying animal personalities involves watching, measuring, and sometimes testing their genes. It's a way to see what makes each animal special and how these differences shape their lives and their interactions with the world around them.